Okay, this video make it. I am addressing this video to Mommy Joy of Belgium. I got your message and so many other people who keep tagging Ezugo here and there in different videos. This is the last time I will be making a video responding to anything relating to apology concerning Ogechi. I saw my video about Ogechi, but I said anything relating to apology, Jukowesi, apology Jigalese, make peace or not make peace also. This is the last time I will be talking about it on Facebook here. Now, I want you to listen to what Mommy Joy said. Then I will tell you my final message, and that will be the end as far as make peace and therefore Ogechi nanya advice Ogechi ebe Ogechi no on I like here. This will be the last time I will be talking about it. Gente.
Hello, happy Sunday. Because if I across this my video, because I could tune my brother Ezugo. Somebody said on a video, ebe Ezugo na Ogechi will never apologize. My brother Ezugo, he not pray Ogechi Okeke Njaka, he's on Anthony B. Why are not found in Menga? Why are not found in our brother Ezugo, he love Ogechi Okeke Njaka, he's on Anthony Ogechi Okeke Njaka. Eleke wuna na achọta ga-eshi wee mee ya ka ka woman shigodu n'ime ka place ọnụ wee pụta wee ji aka ya wee sara ọnụ ya. Eleke ị na-eme video n'Ogechi Okeke Njaka eme na apologize. Our brother Ezugo Ogechi Okeke Njaka nwunye mmadụ. Ogechi Okeke Njaka mama mmadụ. Onye ọbụla mma na ọ hụrụ Ogechi Okeke Njaka n'anya na video ị ga na-eme otu oge eshi n'ime prison ahụ nọ wepụta aga na ma our brother Ezugo. Our brother Ezugo nwanne biko ọwụ na-enweghị ihe ọbụla ime ga-ekwu ekwuzili. Apụtala na-etige fuel to ndị iwe na-ewu already maka so many people iwe na-ewe ha. Apụtala na-etige fuel ka ọkụ na-ere chachachachachacha ịlọbụ Ogechi Okeke Njaka this place ọ nọ na-elikiri ya. Ihe ga na-eme elota oge shishi na nga pụta onye nọ na nga na-ekwuru nwa ọnụ ya. Ọpụta ọmụta oge esi bịa yọwa apology ọmụta oge esi mee amend ihe ndị o mere emenwe ya a ga-enwe disagreement ata enwe agreement so onye mezili ihe dị like that biko our brother Ezugo egwe mezili our brother Ezugo etigezila ọkụ a megazile fuel n'ọkụ biko a gara na our brother Ezugo emezili ịlụkwala nwaanyị o. You are just beginning your life. Honestly, when you give non a position, Ogechi Okeke Njaka no n'ụbọchị dị kịta ị ga-like here. The answer is no. Ogechi Okeke Njaka na-ahụbeghị mma for how many months? Ihe ga na-ekwu a lot of Ogechi apụtagodi. Apụtara na-eme video Ogechi Okeke Njaka will never apologize. Who that fight to run away live to fight again? Beacon. Uno na video to Ogechi apụta na nke ọnụ. Uno emezile video na-eput ọkụ n'ọkụ na-ere. Our brother Ezugo biko emezile. You love Ogechi, you are a full supporter of Ogechi. Where she is now, did you love it? The answer is no. So what are you gonna do for her to come out in the place she is now? Is what you'll be talking. Aga na our brother Ezugo. Sunu Kushenia, Maya Napa, this woman Napa, Mawuna Makia. Sikemudo, Apakaneku, Ogechi Okeke Njaka will never apologize. But you are in your comfort zone. Ekachamaka against Shady Bigger Gigi Ezugo. So why are you saying that Ogechi Okeke Njaka will never apologize? Are you her friend or are you her enemy? Ezugo. Because I need in our comfort zone, video. This woman cannot speak. She cannot speak for herself. You look at me and we could do day. And then she cannot apologize, and you are in your comfort zone. Let's go on them. Also, le push oh, because you know Ogechi. Pray for peace. Shalom, Chinake.
Okay, like I said, after this, I will not make any other video relating to Ogechi apologize. Let us make peace. Una like Lebo Ogechi no. Ono wunde ne deceive Ogechi. Today will be the last time I will make that video. I can talk about any other thing because I cannot stop talking about Ogechi. Mommy Joy, I am assuming that your constant hammering on Ogechi apologize or Ogechi apologize is because a whole lot of you have gathered and you have assumed that Ogechi is 100% guilty of everything Ekugolu about her. But the people who think about her, they are innocent. And you have concluded that everything Ogechi knew about people, that those people don't deserve it. But every single thing people knew about Ogechi, no Ogechi deserve it. After maybe kulu nandi wewe kanko. I dare you to show me a single person Ogechi nosalogo na Facebook. A single person Ogechi nosalogo na Facebook. Ebu huzo show Ogechi oku. Eku haye. Ụfọdụ n'ime unu. Ekwuo onwere ife anya ụba mere Ogechi. But the moment I ajụkwu na ajụjụ si unu, onwere ife mama Ogechi meru J Park. Egbafere ihe kwokwu ihe kweze. Now let me put a direct message to you. Question to you, Mommy Joy. There was a time na Facebook. You started insulting my mother. The video do here na Facebook. Facebook will never forget. You started insulting my mother. There is no name you did not call my mother. It's na my mom. There is nothing you did not say about my mother. I did not talk to your mother. I did not say anything about anybody related to your family. But rather, I was concentrating on Nangowa. Mommy Joy, did I take you to police? Did we settle our problem na police station? Okomu na wuku weluku koncha ko si do ai settle kwa onye ọ na gaba. Okuka unu collide le ko unu gbo Ogechi. It is only Ogechi ko dolo e ma no ya ala unu ko unu gba ya okuka. As for me, all this okuka unu na achọ ko unu go say kai subdue oye, she must apologize. If you want peace, tell me injustice that no kaya no Ogechi kolo. No one show peace, no bla go kono na go. Ono show peace. The only way you can achieve peace is unless no na subdue Ogechi to her knee. So no na conquer Ogechi technically by her apologizing. Kono we mo ya mo. Amo kono me phone na acho. But unkucha kwasem, I can control what I will say, but I cannot control what Ogechi will say. Ogechi cannot say anything where she is. Ogechi is suffering. Ogechi would the only person not going at detention if you go no one in it. Right? Ogechi would the only person not going at detention. If you go no one in it, you suddenly started feeling pity for Ogechi. It is deceitful. Let's tell ourselves the truth. You don't love her. You know you don't love her. If you love her, you will want to end the bully against Ogechi on Facebook. Who has ever been bullied more than Ogechi on Facebook? Who has ever done that? I'm asking you. Every single thing people call about Ogechi, she deserves it. I saw a video being a make video say Ogechi Kwifa Makonya, Ogechi Kwifa Makonya, no Ogechi do guilty. You said it. No matter how yet. No all apology. I have never heard you say anything about Ife Kuru Makogechi. Mommy Joy, only if any them madu kugoro Makogechi on Facebook do fair. I wish all that to you. Say amen. Na every single thing J Park nande han Ogechi nwelu okukugolo about Ogechi. Na ife ahu ezigbo ife. No Ogechi deserve it. I wish you 100-fold of such faith. Say amen. Una agozi na agogo. Onye na emekwu ife nye cheta maka echi. I cannot be cowed. I cannot be cowed by all this intimidation. By use of video. Apologize. I have seen every make mother now peace. no victor, no vanquisher. Nna, Emarifonya Melugu, apologize to her. Emarifonya Melugu, apologize to him. Una anuzina. Because no ona lu, na shieldo, sword there, menudo, blah 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 blah. Those people we have a peace meeting behind your back. They will come out openly and snap pictures. You won't even know how that matter was settled. That was how they ended Nigerian civil war. No victor, no vanquisher. Emeghe ka ọwụ na Nigerian government meriri ndị Biafra. Emeghe ka ọwụ na ndị Biafra meriri ndị Nigerian government. Ọgụgụ na enwere any form of keriva na akpọ surrender. It is not emere ka ọdụ openly for the sake of ebe a na-eje ka a ghara inwe intimidation further in the future. Nigeria da asị yes na kwa ha meriri ha ewee mee no victor no vanquisher. Ịmara ife mmeghe adụghọ mma gbaghalụ m biko nke imere m adụghọ mma agbaghalụ na mana unu aha da eje na nke unu meru ya adụghọ mma unu na-eru that one off completely. Aghụghọ dị ya Mommy Joy mbịaruo bịbịa za na-aghụ ma ọ mbịaruo ebe ị nọ ewere m lasachie gị anya morisicha gị anya retaliate back ewe m polisi jekwara ịbịazie na police station onwezi ife nwere ihe ekwu ndị mmadụ asịzi apologize to him. Will you apologize to me because you are in the police station or because you are in a prison custody? Ana m ajụ gị ajụjụ ọ mpụta abịa nsoro ife ọ mpụta abịa mee ife ọjọọ ndị mmadụ asịzi apologize to him. Apologize ya ga ụnụ arụsịkwa na aghụghọ ụnụ na aghụghọ ụnụ na ana m ada afọ na some of you na-ekwu na Maazị Nnamdi Kanu will come out stronger. Maazị Nnamdi Kanu anọkwa na detention over 3 years. None of you has ever bothered to tell Maazị Nnamdi Kanu and the family to apologize to Nigerian government and retreat from that struggle so that he can be free and go back to his family. He can say ride on 3 years and similar thing with Ogechi, a UK citizen who is supposed to be enjoying his life in UK, but now say ride on 3 years and in detention in Kuje prison in a worse condition than Ogechi. He may sure not happier or deserve if right? But Ogechi deserve him on a detention to fight for her own cause. Ono chokon subdue Ogechi no in bondage. Kunu we wike wolono they were in a position where she cannot even defend herself. If you want peace, see, withdraw this case. You people should go and settle. The only way you can settle with Ogechi is to humiliate her before people. I know that is why all of you are looking for apology. Ogechi's case cannot be the first. It cannot be the last. Go and advise Ijele to go and apologize to Ndenya Nweroku. Because in a prison now, Ijele deserve in on a detention almost 1 year, but Ogechi deserve in on a detention for just 2 weeks or 2 weeks and only believe you know because Ijele na fight Ojuwe deserve in or there. Don't you believe that Ogechi will reform and fight Ojuwe showing or there? Look, Ngwana said Ogechi will Ogechi cannot speak for herself. You are feeling pity for Ogechi. When Ogechi came to court, were you not aware that she said she's not guilty? You said that Ogechi don't you know that Ogechi can speak through her lawyers? That now her lawyers who they represent here now. Maazị Nnamdi Kanu speak through her lawyer, through his lawyers. And because Namafugo now deliberately, if our game and that game is to technically defeat Ogechi and silence her. I will no longer respond to any of you. I will allow you people to dwell in this ignorance. Even if Ogechi ends up apologizing tomorrow, I don't think that that is defeat from your own part. That is not defeat. That is not defeat. If you want peace and you are an Igbo man or woman who says you want peace on Facebook, tell this woman to withdraw that case. You have said worse things about people on Facebook. Apologize to you if all of you kept on disregarding if people. I wish everything in the Ogechi. I wish you people that 10,000 fold. I showed me video for a lot of you who keep adding my pictures and all this. I know what to do. I know what to do. Go very careful. Don't very, very careful. Enough of that nonsense. I will no longer respond to any of you. I will not even pretend like I'm seeing anything. But this joke is more than enough. It is more than enough. Share this video. Come on, me joy if you.